Subscribe now. Philips hair dryer is leading the charge for shiny, smooth hair. It generates up to 20 million ions for that frizz-free finish. Choose your vibe with 3 heat and speed settings. Salon-like styles are just a switch away, y'all. That cool shot feature locks in your look perfectly. Say goodbye to bad hair days, my friends. Its compact design and foldable handle are travel-friendly. Throw it in your bag and style on the go. With 1600 watts, this dryer gives optimum airflow. Get beautiful results every single day, no cap.